Hello, my name's Daniel here at Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE finished in Firenze red. This D300 model features the 3-litre mild hybrid diesel engine paired with the automatic transmission. It's a very bright and beautiful looking SUV, sitting very nicely on 22-inch alloy wheels. It also features pixel LED headlights which light up the road nicely. Taking a look in the boot, you'll find 970 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,827 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear of the vehicle, you have your beautiful two-tone interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seats, allowing you to easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around and up top you have the panoramic sunroof, allowing sunlight to flood the interior. Moving to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the multifunction steering wheel, to the left you have controls to adjust the infotainment system, and to the right you have your adaptive cruise control as well as your heated steering wheel button. On the display here in the instrument cluster, you can access a range of different information and customize the information shown on the display to suit your own preference. You can also access a range of vehicle settings. Centered here in the dashboard, you have the Preview Pro touchscreen display, providing you with access to a range of different features like DAB radio, or you can play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. There's the Bluetooth telephone menu, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, keeping you well connected with your phone, and there's also built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost. Also on the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. There's also heated and ventilated front seats to keep you at the perfect temperature no matter the weather. This Sport comes fitted with front and rear parking sensors, a 360 camera with 3D view, making parking super easy. In the centre console you have a range of compartments along with your automatic gear selector. Thanks for watching this walk around video of this approved used Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE finished in Firenze red. For more information, please get in contact with a member of our sales team who'd be more than happy to help with your inquiry.